It's that time of year where we're gathering together at family and friends' houses very often, and so that means we're going to be traveling on the roads a lot more frequently. But with that also comes car accidents. We want you to be safe out there. Let's not have any issues. You know, I know that it can get stressful and you're running from party to party often. Just take a deep breath. It's okay if you're a little bit late. So we want to talk with Tyler Todd, who is in studio, about this. So with We Win Law, or injury law, and it's all about that injury law, which is not like something I mean, it's good that you have a business, but we don't want people, right, to be injured. We want people to be safe.
We sincerely say it. Hopefully people don't ever need us, but if they do, hopefully they know where to find us.
You're there.
And we're there. And as obviously Thanksgiving's coming up, the winter's coming up, the winter season's coming up. So we just want people to know to drive safe and you just don't think about it.
Yeah.
You kind of like, oh shoot, and we all procrastinate at some degree. And so we want people, remind people, check your tires, get that done, your wiper blades, get that done, and just the simple things we all know, but then we forget.
What do you guys see continually with some of these accidents that come into your office? You know, what's like the common denominator?
Probably speed, and then distracted driving. So put the cell phones down. Our motto is leave early, slow down, and scroll when you get there.
There you go.
Right?
You might as well go park in the parking lot and just hang out for a minute.
Well, we're all going to do it.
A little less stressful.
Regardless. So if you get there safely, everyone's trying to get to point A, and from point A to point B. And so get there safely and then scroll.
I think it's so smart. Well, and it's easier said than done because we say, okay, slow down, you know, and oftentimes, I mean, you think about kids who don't understand the power they have with that speed, you know, or people that are not focused on their speed with the weather that might be happening. You know, there's things like that, and people just think, you know, they might be above it, or their truck might get through it a little bit better than somebody else's car.
That's exactly right. And I think we've all seen it. A little drizzle, a little snow, a little whatever, and we don't think it's that bad, and all of a sudden you start seeing a bunch of car accidents on the side of the road.
Do you know that was one of my worst accidents in Parley's Canyon?
Really?
I didn't think it was that bad, and then all of a sudden they said it was some sort of like weird weather thing we had, and it was like, you know, ice like basically came down from the sky and hit the roads, and there were 5 accidents within a mile. It was just a disaster in Parley's, and we were all going probably too fast.
Yeah, and Utah weather, we all know Utah weather can kind of come at you fast. So again, leave early, slow down, make sure your tire treads are good, wiper blades, and just over this Thanksgiving period, it's one of the busiest times of the year. So maybe check out of work maybe a day earlier.
There you go. Smart.
And maybe or a few hours earlier.
Yeah.
Get to where you're going and do it safely. Also,
no impaired driving. That's like so easy to say now because there is Uber, there's Lyft, there's like family and friends you can call, right? Hopefully.
How we still continue to see DUIs or driver impaired crashes is kind of mind blowing, but we still do it, and especially over the holidays. So Thanksgiving, there's going to be probably drinking. Christmas, drinking, just don't do it.
If you're going out to spend the money on the drinks, then you have to account for the money that you need to get you home safely. It's just like the added extra. That's just what you do.
Absolutely.
Right?
So call right now. There's a lot of kind of question marks with Uber, but whether it be Lyft or other rideshare services or family members, friends, just do it.
There you go.
Be prepared for it.
How do we get in contact with you if we need you?
Yeah, wewininjurylaw.com, and you can always find us. We have a bunch of social media, TikTok, Instagram. We have a podcast as well, or you can call us. Go to our website. That's the best way of doing that.
Wonderful. Tyler, thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving
to you and your family.
My pleasure.
Happy Thanksgiving to you. Appreciate it. Thanks so much.